Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit the invoice message in Gohighlevel. Customizing the invoice message lets us add payment instructions, business details, or a personal note to make billing clearer for our clients. Now, let's get started on the Gohighlevel dashboard. We go to Marketing or Payments. Once in Payments, make sure the invoice is already created. To edit the invoice message, we click on Settings and go to Notifications. Next, we select Customer Notification. Here, we can see the list of invoices and messages. To edit a message, we just click on the invoice or go to Preview. Once in Preview, we can edit the message, like deleting or updating any part. For example, we can remove the default text and add our own payment instructions or a personal note. When we are done, we click Save. We can view the invoice by clicking Once Saved, Go Back. The invoice receipt notification is now updated. We can also edit auto payment notifications. We simply click Done, Preview, or edit the subjects directly. Once finished, click Save. Everything is now saved and ready to use. A clear and personal invoice message helps improve communication and makes sure clients understand the payment details.